Let's look now on how PMI Disciplined Agile can be a good help in hybrid or implementation of hybrid projects. So, PMI's Disciplined Agile or DA is a process decision toolkit which is designed to help organizations to choose the right way of working for their project. Unlike the rigid frameworks, the disciplined agile allows teams to blend agile, lean, and predictive methodologies, making it an ideal approach for hybrid project environments. So again, in hybrid projects, some of these aspects requires structured and predictive planning, while others need the agile flexibility. So disciplined agile as this is a key framework that provides a structured decision-making processes to select the best approach for each of the project phase, ensuring the alignment with the business goals, regulatory requirements, and customer needs. How key discipline agile principles can be implemented in hybrid project management or hybrid projects. So disciplined agile is built on core principles that enhances the hybrid project success. The principle of the conceptual awareness means that there is no single framework fits all of the projects, and teams must adapt their approach based on the project complexity, stakeholder needs, and the regulatory constraints. The enterprise awareness ensures that the hybrid project aligns with the strategic goals, risk management, and compliance requirements. Unlike the frameworks that prescribe a single approach, such agile, using agile or Scrum framework, or the predictive strict waterfall approach. The discipline agile promotes the choice is good philosophy, allowing the project managers to select and combine the best practices from agile, lean, and predictive methodologies. But how Discipline Agile supports hybrid project management? So, hybrid project management requires, again, a structured yet an adaptable approach. And Disciplined Agile provides a decision making toolkit to achieve this balance. Instead of forcing teams to follow a specific methodology, the Disciplined Agile helps the organizations to select the right approach based on their project constraints, goals, and industry requirements. The discipline agile supports a governance and compliance in hybrid projects by integrating risk management, regulatory adherence, and enterprise wide process standardization, all while allowing the agile teams to maintain the flexible and iterative development. Here are some of the four levels of discipline agile. So, discipline agile is structured across four key levels, helping the organizations to scale agile while maintaining the governance. And the first level here we have is the foundation, where it covers agile, lean, and predictive principles to ensure a broad knowledge base for the teams. The next level here you have is the disciplined DevOps to enhance the software and IT project execution by integrating agile and DevOps. The third level here is value stream, where you ensure agile workflows aligns with the delivering measurable business value. And the fourth level here we have is disciplined agile enterprise, where it focuses on enterprise-wide agility and hybrid project scaling. Let's now look into how disciplined agile processes can be used as a toolkit in hybrid projects. So, one of these disciplined agile biggest advantages in hybrid project management is the process decision toolkit, where it helps the project managers and the teams to make informed choices about their workflows, unlike the rigid frameworks. So the discipline agile does not impose one size fits all solution, but instead it guides the teams in selecting the best combination of agile, lean, and predictive practices. And this adaptability is especially critical in hybrid projects, where different project phases may require different methodologies, let's say based on the risk levels, stakeholder expectation, engagement, and the regulatory constraints. Here are some of the challenges you might face when implementing discipline agile in hybrid projects. So while discipline agile provides significant advantages, its implementation can be sometimes challenging for teams who used heavily the traditional project management or specific agile frameworks. And a key challenge is the cultural resistance, where the teams may struggle to shift from these rigid methodologies to a flexible decision driven approach. Another challenge we have here is maintaining the compliance and governance without limiting agile teams' ability to iterate and deliver quickly. So organization must invest in training and upskilling to ensure the project managers and teams can leverage the discipline agile decision toolkit effectively. Here are some of the best practices when applying discipline agile in hybrid projects. So successful hybrid project management requires let's say a structured yet adaptable approach. And by using the discipline agile process decision toolkit to guide the agile predictive integration, also the PMI discipline agile provides the tools and flexibility needed to balance the predictability, compliance, and agile responsiveness. By training these teams to utilize the discipline agile principles and decision making framework to ensure the alignment between let's say both of the strategies, by implementing the hybrid project strategies with to ensure the alignment between let's say the business goals and the regulatory requirements.